Friday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let me go ahead or join me with taking a couple deep breaths so we can move the energy around, release some tension if you have it. And wherever you are in the top, during, or the end of your day, this is a time for self-reflection and me time. We time. We do it together. Okay, follow me. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Okay, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below if you're new to me. Welcome, my name's Puerto, international speaker, public educator, agent trainer, creator and founder of Many Cool Things, active licensed real estate professional, author of many books and counting. And you can learn more about me at lasuperagent.com. Go ahead and subscribe, type in your email, hit submit, and stay connected. If you prefer to be on social media, I am on all our favorite social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. If you are a podcast listener, thank you for growing our channel and subscribing. We are available on Spotify, iTunes, Google Play, Stitcher, Anchor Breaker, Castbox, and maybe some more that I didn't name. And just really appreciate you wholeheartedly for supporting and continually growing with us. Thank you to my family, my friends, for supporting my wild ideas. Without you, there is no me. So I love you all very dearly. And we are continuing our series of Dean Del Sesto's 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. Shift Your Thinking, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. And we are on episode 157 today, which I am going to caption Risk Losing It All. All right, I'm in the section where he says, to stay grounded in life, we should take a leap of faith every day. So as we get into this section, I want you to reflect on something that you've been holding back doing, especially if you call yourself a believer, someone who has this, whatever it is for you. If you have faith and you have hope and you have trust and you have belief, whatever you are defining that as. Think about and reflect on something that you have been stagnant in. Why? Because of fear, because of some anxiety or being nervous. We're going to discuss about risk losing that. He says there's always a chance of loss with risk. You could lose trepidation, you could lose stagnancy, and you could lose fear. I think one of my biggest things for me is losing stagnancy. I don't ever want to feel stuck. When I feel stuck, I'm unhappy because I'm a fire sign. I'm very energetic. And when I feel stuck, my whole world, I'm not feeling it. He says every day presents itself with an opportunity to risk into serious growth and personal development. Go ahead and hashtag personal development. He says task, meetings, conversations, and initiatives are all the playgrounds of risk. He says, I know you might be saying, not another shift point on risk. He says, but he'll risk redundancy just so that you can get it. He says, I'll risk being redundant, looking like a fool or being wrong because I care about people, their growth, and their transformation. He says, I also know that we retain only about 10% of what we read, and repetition of good things is a great thing, an essential thing. Type in the comments below, repetition is good. He says, not to mention, few things in life make us feel more alive and vibrant than being in the midst of a good risk. He says, pushing the envelope of ourselves has a crazy way of making us feel totally out of control and yet completely in control and resolved at the same time. He says it puts us in the zone where no matter what the outcome, the risk will provide additions to our life toolbox that we cannot acquire any other way. And absolutely, because you're learning how to transmute something, how to transform something, how to get past something. And it's really us. It's really the mental that you're learning. You're reprogramming, which is why when I open up the show, I say the same thing. Why? Because I'm transforming, reprogramming the mind, shifting your thinking When I say beautiful souls, that's because you are needed, you're appreciated, you are here for such a time as this. And when I say on this phenomenal, beautiful planet, because regardless of what is going on the planet, it is our planet. It is our planet. Collectively, energetically. He says, our foundation, solidarity, and life momentum all get stronger with every stretch. He says, I call it slipping on a banana, peel forward. He says, when we risk and fail, we grow wiser, more aware, move through life on a more solid foundation with every step. With that being said, I invite you to reflect on risk losing fear. Risk losing the fear. This is why I've got tons of resources, you guys. Check out spiritofbusinesscourse.com. Great mini course with my sis, co-created my sis, Rob Bay of Trail Alchemy. Because oftentimes we are in our own way. And we just got to risk losing it all. That way we can step out and grow to our human potential. With that being said, I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow as we continue Shift Your Thinking. Bye!